Hey, J-Bro's popping in here. Back at the house here. I got this wall framed up here. I got the doorway framed in for this room, so that's done. I got the doorway for the bathroom in right now, and that's gonna look like this here after after we change the design. If you didn't see before, the tub was supposed to be back there. Now that's going to be a partition wall down the middle here, and then closet entering from that bedroom there, and a closet entering from that bedroom. So mirroring same closet, so I don't have to fight those anymore. And then right here, I changed the doorway to in the hallway. So now this bedroom, you'll come through here, and I'm probably going to remove this board here. That's not load bearing, so I'm going to get that out of there. But now you can pop into this bedroom, and you know this is decent enough size, and the closet will be kind of the edge of the tub, so remove those 3 webs there. So I think that's probably about 4 feet wide by, yeah, probably like, I don't know, 4 by 2.5 feet. Should be good enough for a closet. So that's what this looks like from this bedroom. This was kind of the bummer here, but there's just nothing I could do about it. See the size of that door? I was not overly excited, but that's only a 24-inch door, and that's, let's just say that's minimum probably code even or accepts, but that's a 24. But the only good part about that one being the 24 is you're coming straight up the steps, so you're shooting stuff straight in here. It's not the end of the world, but this bedroom is the same size as the other one, and as you can see here, same thing, closet there. So yeah, that's kind of what happened, and the reason why this door had to get shrunk down, unfortunately, is kind of because I've got a half bath below this, and I need to get a sewer vent up through this tract. And you know, sometimes it just works out that way. In hindsight, it's like if I would have kicked the bathroom over 5 inches, let's say that way, but shoot, you could sit here and move around walls all day long. But anyway, that's where we're sitting. Right now I have some random nailers that I need to put in, and some random, oh yeah, I forgot, I did get the ceiling done right there. That's blocked out to there. And then right here, I just have this little bit. I mean, this looks kind of cool up to there. I was contemplating maybe I should just leave it like this, and maybe just take this board and cut it back to here. Yeah, I'm kind of at the end of the day, and my brain power is not thinking right now. But yeah, that's where we're at. Probably one more day hopefully, and all this extra piddly stuff, and obviously it's kind of a mess up here, tools over there, tools over here, but yeah, I'm right there. But yeah, please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bro's out.